Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Preserving the legacy of forefathers and adding vibrance to this sacred celebration. We celebrate legends that the well-being of
Kabedin kelam kebajulong cisin cisnam jangan Seiñ Raij muklah. Berkebekat doa ben pendap na bro kirat hari lum jaintia kelapoi no syak bekut hakalai poi te unai lar arajar arpusan. Mentaka kinti kani gele nyam bedin kelam kan long ru kajing sa ken mau namar ba menteri khna ka sarkar pedeng bukhmi ya ke Ministry of Development ke North Eastern Region Dr. Sukanta Majumdar ulai sok lang kumukangsan ling bagi video conference ba ula pelipat baru yang hindrut ligi jingtai nagi cultural infrastructure project di Shongdor Iway Point kenai pulai Klur ha East Jaintia Hills but ha West Jaintia Hills district. Kini hindrut ligi project bela bay pisat dengan North Eastern Council kilong nagabenta ke Seiñ Raij Tuber Yalong Mukla Mutlong Kongwasan Chermang Basok Kempor. Kikenram kilandan kiblasa kilang hakan kesngi kinthop yu sembut mendirang ba ka jilla ubasnya bhalang dhar ublong kumu sembut kongsan ringkat menteri sarkar ba kermen shilla no ai bot ka sarkar jilla ba lakmen rumboi ba kiwi ki MLA bekinthop kongsan ta Mary shilla uba deman ba lamre uba wailat miki shilla Usnil V Diodhar Secretary ke North Eastern Council USK Bhala President Jongki Seiñ Raij Jaintia uba Franki Pale nalo kiwi Hagan kesngi la plat baru ika vision document arajar alpapra belapen kre deki Raij Jaintia belapen kut deki bedin kelam deki jingwan ra yaki kat sautli kirong hagapung atnar.
Time tapur ngan ai jingkren tan san minute lai minute to lada tam ar minute kren ayu Narendra Modi ji ude Prime Minister udan jing eat nakabanta ka Northeast nakabanta khamtam ki riulum of Jomkari India nakada kada ude Prime Minister Waningkong ulasa sanfo santali ki meet ha Northeast sanfo santali ki meet lathia ha Northeast Shwa Narendra Modi ji उन्होंने प्राइम मिनिस्टर for step 1 Janmit Lalivan Tangu Narendra Modi ji 60 nights more than 55 nights he halt in northeastern states he made compulsory for every minister to visit northeastern states. There is roster duty of all union minister for 11 years. Khadwai snake ulalong prime minister. Man ka tayaw. Every week, one minister, union minister must visit northeast. That is the rule made by Kanyam by Honorable Prime Minister. Day one visit northeast. Every minister should go to northeast in one fortnight. That is why you can see the development of northeast and Khantam ka donor ministry. The NEC council after 40 years NEC council meeting was held in Shillong and it was attended by Honorable Prime Minister. He was the first Prime Minister who attended NEC Council meeting after 40 years. So no one cared about Northeast, only Narendra Modi ji, and you can see the results.
And when we say developed country, it doesn't mean just adopting or moving forward with new ideas. At the same time, we need to preserve our rich cultural heritage, promote that cultural heritage and also celebrate the spirit of connectedness throughout our country. And I'm happy to note and happy to see here that the colorful dresses, attire, the traditions being celebrated. I am really feeling as a proud Indian being part of this celebration.
Pandal, as we speak here, before we used to have by temporary pandal every year, which costs a lot of expenditure. So by getting this scheme, it really helps it become a permanent structure, and also it helps the Seiñ Raij in particular, and also the rest of the Seiñ Raij. Ay kublay la iginigi idaloy we am lang nagwiwitruan kiraya kaya lang ani kapor kiriurong pa yung ni 1 October na yalong kamtang mukla kuman tera terter na iba na cover to idaw chim di por kalau dia bonwari itu district DC SB yung official yung district administration kuman police kuno pelai kalai kawan teman kalai by identity traffic spam kawan ke jiguin. Singaw to ini daman nagabet iklam berjo man lo sulan berjo ikai gilang chua giman chua. Bergawi ko sa sup ko sa tanado yo kam pinong yalam yo pito. Man lagi raja man gabet iklam. Man sket lagi gabet iklam ko kuni gipot por. Man galo yo sup yo tuna. Ko pen kamong secretary ka di sini. Galapay ni komriyang kung kiman bay kiman pa ikon kedung kelot daman sket talaga niyam ku chong chik ku chong niya ku kurado kata saya bila ko apat sangai bikum pay ba ini to ai nag sarkar makale ya lakan ko sarkar bay yung sarkar India idu ami ka priority wo kamon upne persa ya gariti dustur yawi kami man kami nagadak kung jo ye wong jo yo ko sen company scheme kung yo ron root ni project. But man gila project udah clear fully dengan sukses. Hak Seiñ Raij koper lembaga fondet yang ke NEC. Ini man cipta ke jinggerku ke jinggerdo. Pelagi keluksan. Berjuang man lagi pandal manus dan bertepedi. Hanai kat kau mangani dan root ni Seiñ Raij. Dia mana ke permanent structure. Yuruti le kini man cipta kamu sarkar le emlango. Empty ku Seiñ Raij woro. Kejimur lo kuat lo pernah lo perkelang persa perkelang yang geri yang dustur yang manglo ku kupok kupain nagi por ciki por.
Another one is the Wedding Club Festival at Yalong. So we have 3 gifts for you, sir. With this I will say thank you, sir. I will parcel it in case it cannot be taken.
Deliver the vote of thanks.
So, sir, I request you to come and deliver the speech. Kejingnya menang di yang pi nak skopor, tam Seiñ Raij tam tam cibun kejingnya kam yang Seiñ Raij. Dan ini por can represent the presentation of the completed cultural infrastructure of 6 Seiñ Raij.
Betul por, saya boleh, and then also I would like to express my thankfulness to Secretary of the NEC. So thank you so much, sir, for your program yang jalan ini. Dan kita ingin menang lebih dengan program ini berprofit. Betul por, ini kita katakan ya, Ministerial kisila wajah emang ini emang di por akan dilakukan medical kemudian sepuluh. Nah, itu por ibu player kerpang joma perang joman kamu konvenal nanti unongnya khmat yang gini ke Ru Seiñ Raij hai tor wa de yo temannya ke ni program yang ni tu play cibona itu por
adding vibrance to this sacred celebration. We celebrate weddings that the well-being of
this celebration of Meghalaya, a festival that unites people of different spirits and shine the bond between the divine. Wedding is one of the richest and traditional festival of Meghalaya. The term wedding means to drive away evil spirit, plague, or diseases. It is a festival that celebrates joy, good health, prosperity, and unity. The festival is observed for 4 days and 3 nights, if considered here known as Social Day. According to the non-traditional calendar, these 4 auspicious day rituals are performed to invoke the blessing of the Almighty God for a better future. The festival is celebrated with great enthusiasm, and the preparation begins in weeks and months. Faithful for more local aspect of signals approaching.